Hello everyone. So today our topic is to write these numbers as a words. So for to do this we should be always sure about the place values. So this is ones, tens and hundreds, they are in the group of ones. Thousands, 10,000, 100,000s, they are thousands. Three numbers are thousands. And then these three numbers should be millions. And then billions and then trillions. So the easiest way to do is to write these numbers. Let's say we have 4 we have 4583724 9. So always start with the right end of it. What is it? It's 9 4 2 7 3 8 5 and 4. So after, if I have this table with me, it would be very much easier for me to read it. I would say this is 4 10 millions, 5 millions is 45 millions 837,249. I can do this using the table. But in exam we don't have the table. So how do I do it? I write the letters 4 5 8 3 7 2 4 9. So let me just group three digits together. Start from the right side. 3 digits, put a comma here. Then 3 digits, put a comma. So I know this group is ones. And these three numbers are my thousands. And these are my millions. So now I know I can write this as 45 millions 247. Sorry. So if I make a groups of 3, it becomes easier for me to write it. Now let's look at the second example. I will just write 2 3 7 0 0 6 3. So take the three numbers and make it group. Three numbers and make it group. So this is my ones, this is my thousands, and this is my millions. So my number is 2,370,000 and I have nothing in the hundreds place, so it is 63. So I'm giving you all the homework, the third one. So make a groups of 3 and then put a comma and then write this in the comment section. Thank you.